Begin by removing the splash shield attached to the tunnel brace. It isn't necessary to remove the brace itself, but it can give you more room to work with if you do. Then, remove the 2 exhaust clamps under the center heat shield. Next, remove the heat shield in between the exhaust and driveshaft carrier by unbolting the 4 10mm fasteners. Pull the heat shield out. You will now have access to the driveshaft carrier. Unbolt it from the body and let the driveshaft hang down. Rotate the carrier to make a cut on its side above the mounting tab. Rotate it back the other way to make a cut on the other side. Using a razor blade, cut the inner frame off of the bearing. Then cut the remaining center rubber rib all the way around until it's flush with the base layer of rubber, but leave the base layer of rubber intact. Now you can install the new carrier. Start with the top half, with the bushing in it, and slide it over top of the bearing with the text facing the front of the vehicle. Then bring the bottom half up to meet it, and connect the two together using the provided Allen bolts. As you tighten the bolts, switch back and forth from left to right so the bolts don't bind in the holes. A small gap may form between the two bushings. This is normal. To mount it to the car, place an isolation damper over each foot. Then take a shoulder bolt, put a fender washer on it, and slide it up through the isolation damper. Do this on both sides. Then place your small gold washers on top of each bolt and thread them into the car. Tighten the bolts down, reinstall your heat shield and exhaust, and your installation is complete.